Karnataka Material Testing and Research Center. The global market WTO treaty has opened world market to the Indian industries for exports. These developments have created an awareness among the small-scale industries for quality, but the small-scale industries individually cannot create facilities for testing the raw materials and finished products. In tune with the policies of central and state governments, it is the responsibility of the government to create the testing facilities through non-governmental organizations to support the small-scale industries for their requirements of testing the quality of their products. Therefore, it is proposed to set up Modern Testing Research Center in Hubballi to offer facilities to small-scale industries in and around Hubballi, Dharwad, Belgaum and other North Karnataka area for testing the quality of raw materials and finished goods. This laboratory will mainly concentrate to create the testing facilities for industry. In order to help in maintaining, improving quality of products manufactured by a larger number of small-scale industries in Hubballi, Dharwad, Belgaum and also other units from entire North Karnataka, a society by name Karnataka Material Testing and Research Center Hubballi has been registered under Society Act 1960. The organization has been financially supported by the central and state governments in the form of outright grant. The state government through KSSIDC has allotted twin sheds for development of testing center. The KMTRC has been promoted jointly by Karnataka Chamber of Commerce and Industries of Hubballi and North Karnataka Small Scale Industries Association Hubballi, and presently the governing council members consist of two government organizations. One is from central government, MSME Director, and another is from state government, Joint Director, DIC Dharwad. Other industrialists also the members of governing council. When testing the quality of the materials of the customer, the whole material will be tested and the same has been entered in the register, and the customer will get a receipt in return. The results of the testing strictly kept secretly. The customer will get a certificate after the material testing. The organization got the prestigious international NABL certificate. The organization has a qualified and experienced staff. Here are the various divisions like Chemical Testing Division, Mechanical Testing Division, Mechanical Calibration Division. The Chemical Testing Division has an ultra-modern Spectromax machine. It has the facilities like water test and corrosion test. The Spectromax machine had imported from Germany and established under a side grant by Government of Karnataka. This instrument tests iron, copper, aluminium, nickel base, ferrous and non-ferrous metals. This instrument gets calibrated by CRMS samples and the customer will get the results. In water samples, total hardness, TDS, pH, electric conductivity, chloride, sulfate, magnesium can be tested. corrosion test can be done here for valves and pumps. We have C and S Strolin apparatus to test the percentage of carbon and phosphorus which will be in steel. This instrument will be calibrated by NPL standards. E-mark standard chemicals will be used in this process. Physical properties of the materials will be found here in mechanical section. Tensile testing, compression testing, hardness testing, bend testing, impact and dynamic balancing can be done here. Dynamic balancing machine. Balancing of couplings, fans and impeller, rotors, shafts are facilitated by this machine. This machine has the capacity of balancing the components of 3 to 100 kg, 1 meter diameter and the length of 1350 millimeter. Impact testing machine. Impact tests for Charpy and Izod can be done here in room temperature and -50 centigrade. Rockwell hardness testing machine. This instrument is meant to test the hardness of metals and gives the hardness of C scale and B scale. Brinell hardness testing machine. Brinell hardness number can be examined by this machine for non-ferrous metal. These machines get calibrated periodically by reputed NABL approved agencies. Universal testing machine. This machine has the capacity of 60 tons and this machine is useful to test ultimate tensile strength, percentage of elongation, percent of reduction in area and yield stress in steel, and also 0.2% yield stress by extensometer. This machine can be used for bend test of plates, bars and welded plates. Compression of all types of springs can be done here. Compression strength of cement concrete cubes, cement blocks and bricks also can be tested here. We have an important machine in our laboratory which helps reverse engineering, that is optical coordinate measuring machine. The instrument is more useful for dimensional inspection of jigs, pictures, patterns, dies, intricate jobs and finished components. The capacity of this machine is 400 height, 400 width, 250 mm length. Components up to 20 kgs weight. The latest technology instrument ULM 600 imported from Germany has been established in this division under the assigned grant of Karnataka government. This latest technology universal length measuring equipment ULM 600 is very useful to calibrate plain plug gauge, external and internal micrometers, ring gauges, bore indicators, vernier calipers, internal and external thread gauges, dial indicators and also snap gauges. Instruments can be calibrated in this division in the environmental conditions of 20 plus or minus 1 degree centigrade. The certificate will be issued to the customer after the calibration. Dear customers, Karnataka Material Testing and Research Center, we got the prestigious International Certificate of NABL, National Accreditation Board of Testing and Calibration Laboratories, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, New Delhi. We feel proud to say that we are the first in North Karnataka to get this international certificate. The customers of North Karnataka are benefited and satisfied by our service from last 15 years. We offer a best service with accurate results and valid certificates for our valuable customers. You are most welcome to have a pleasant experience with our esteemed concern. You are welcome to Karnataka Material Testing and Research Center, G4 G5, Gokul Industrial Estate, 2nd Gate, Hubballi 580030. Contact number 0836 4260146. Fax 0836 2330 423. Mobile 094481 24486. Email ID kmtrc _ Hubballi96 @yahoo.co.in. And also you can visit us website www.materialtestinghubballi.com. Thank you.